Boy sat.
On.
Sat. You have written only sir. Sat. There you go. You got it. Boy sat. On. I would give you little space. On. You got it. What is this? Baby? You have to put the n here. N here. Boy sat on. A. Yes. A. Boy sat on a.
Chair.
Can you make the word chair? Ch. C-H makes ch. You can keep it here if you want. There is no space. On a. Ch.
Chair.
C-H.
Chair.
Ch.
Chair.
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 I-R. C-H-A-I-R. Chair. Yeah. So, can you please read for me what have you done?
Boy sat on a chair.
That's good. How about writing that quickly? So, there you go. So, you can stick here. Boy. So, how about writing this time? Is it stuck? The ball. And yeah, I think that's stuck. Okay, there you go. Your boundary starts. You keep it there so you can see and write. Now write. How about giving some space in between? And what is this first letter?
D.
Doi.
Boy.
Then can you please make it correct? You have written doi. This one see? Doi. Please make it correct. How will you make boy? You have to write b here.
Oh.
Yeah, I know, so we need to finish it first. B. Yes. Boy. Sat. On. You can write here. A. Try to fit inside the boundary.
Air.
You did it. How about giving one full stop there? Good job. Can you please put all the letters back? Do you want my help to put the letters back?
Where's the?
I think here. go somewhere there. Okay, can you please quickly read what did we make?
Fat cat. Tap. Fan. Rat on a fan. And boy sat on a chair.
You got it. That's lovely. So we finished our work. Can you please close the box for me? See, we finished our arranging the letters. And you did some writing too. Now you can go back to the class, or you want to play? Okay, so you can sit there and play for a while. Bring it here.